Okay, let's set up a new user. I'm going to first go to google.com and click on create an account. And you'll need to put your first name, last name, fill all that in. For my username, I'm going to choose amerit 2013. If it's been taken, it will tell me. Okay, I needed to include my middle name in that, so it would take it. A.M. Merritt 2013. It's a good idea to include your mobile phone number. This is used a lot of times. You'll see. The current email address, if you have one other than your XBHS account, please use that. If you don't, go ahead and put your XBHS account in. Okay, you need to do this verification to make sure you're not a robot. If you don't do it, it will call your cell phone. Let's hope that this works for me. And you have to click the I agree to the terms. You can turn this off. Click on next step. Okay, if it won't continue on, you've got to read. It says the characters didn't match, so I need to click on this again and do it again. Okay, so now you can add a public profile photo, and you can do this on the machines here in the lab. Click add, click web camera, and don't be scared. Okay, you need to click allow, and there it is. Oh gosh, you get to see me at home. Take a snapshot, smile at the camera, and then close. Oh, set as profile picture first. Yeah. Unbelievable. And now after that lovely picture, we'll go to the next step. Oops. Oops. Next step. Continue to Gmail. Okay, every time you open up something new in Labs for Education, you're going to see something similar to these. And they are little quick tours. We can click next and go through those at your own speed. You can add a theme by going here, and it tells you with this little arrow. This is a settings, or it's called a gear. Go to theme. Pick something nice, take your time. Okay, so I saved something called Orca's Island, and it's set in the background. You may prefer, after looking at all these, something just plain. That's kind of bright, or a very light background. Then you'll click the inbox to continue the tour. And then another box pops up here. So we can continue to train ourselves by going through the Gmail. So let's do that for a while. One of the best features here of Google is the search feature. For example, you can type anything in here and you have options. It will search all mail, or it will search whatever you've sent, your drafts, etc., etc. The from field, if it's a certain thing, it's subject, or if it just has the words Google in it, and then doesn't have something else or something with an attachment that you're checking for, you can set the within 1 day, 3 days, etc. So it's pretty powerful search. And you can click create a filter, or I could just leave it Google and hit search, and it comes up with all these things that have Google in it, which is a lot. Okay, I want you to notice what's in your box. All of these are from Google team, Gmail team, getting started with Google Plus, which is really a social networking type of site that you can chat with friends, video. Customize Gmail with colors, get your Gmail on your mobile phone, getting started with Gmail. And let's click on that. And here you've got a little 4 things you need to know about Gmail. So let's review those. Okay, so the 4 basic things that are different is that you can archive instead of delete. You really don't have to delete anything. You can always search out to find what you need, or look in all mail. There's chat and video chat, as you can see in the picture. And instead of folders, they call them labels. They work the same, but there's an extra bonus. You can add more than one to an email. So if it's a personal thing or a shopping thing, you can add several stores under the same message under several stores or something like that. Conversation view. What conversation view does is if you have several emails in the same conversation, you're going back, reply, reply, you're going to see all of them stacked up all together. You can actually turn that function off if you didn't like it as well. So let's go on. Manage your contacts and your to-do list. You can swap between mail, contacts, and tasks by clicking the Gmail drop-down menu, which is over here. Gmail, contacts, and tasks. Now here's where you can either click to learn more about this, and I would suggest that you do it at home. You can always go back and find chat and video chat and how to do it. Click on next, and they tell you that's just the beginning. And this is the finish of that little tutorial. So I'm going to finish, and I'm going to do some hands-on stuff.